Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The problem number 2, sub question 2 is 2x minus 1 upon x whole bracket raised 6. The solution is quite simple. So here first of all we write 2x minus 1 upon x whole bracket raised 6. Now by using binomial theorem we have is equal to 6c0 2x whole bracket raised 6 1 upon x whole bracket raised 0, then minus 6c1 2x whole bracket raised 5 1 upon x bracket raised 1 plus 6c2 2x bracket raised 4 1 upon x bracket raised 2 minus 6c3 2x bracket raised 3 1 upon x bracket raised 3, then plus 6c4 2x raised 2 into 1 upon x raised 4 minus 6c5 2x raised 1 into 1 upon x raised 5, and finally plus 6c6 2x raised 0 into 1 upon x raised 6. So this thing we get by using binomial theorem. Now this, on simplifying further, we can write is equal to, now 6c0, so that gives 1 into 2 raised 6, so that gives 64 into x raised 6 into 1 upon x raised 0, so that gives 1 minus now 6c1, that is 6, 2x raised 5, that gives 32 x raised 5 into now 1 upon x raised 1, so that gives 1 upon x plus 6c2, that is 6 into 5 upon 2 into 1 into now 2x raised 4, so that gives 16x raised 4 into 1 upon x bracket square, so that gives 1 upon x square minus then 6c3, that is 6 into 5 into 4 upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 2x cube, so that gives 8x cube into 1 upon x bracket cube gives us 1 upon x cube, then plus 6c4 that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 upon 4, 3, 2, 1 into 2x bracket square, so that gives us 4x square into 1 upon x raised 4, so that gives us 1 upon x raised 4, then minus 6c5, that is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 upon 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2x raise 1 power, so that gives us 2x into 1 upon x raised 5, and finally plus 6c6, that is 1, 2x raised 0, that is also 1, 1 upon x raised 6 gives us 1 upon x raised 6. So on simplifying further, the next step will be is equal to, now 1 into 64 x raised 6 into 1, so total answer 64 x raised 6, then minus, now 32 multiplied by 6, so here 6 2s are 12, 6 into 3 18 plus 1, so it is 192, and here we cancel 1x from numerator and denominator, so we left with 192 x raised 4, then plus, now here 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16, now 6 into 5 30, 30 into 8 240, and here we cancel x square from numerator and denominator, so we left with 240 x square. Next sign is minus, now here we cancel 3 2 1, that gives 6 from numerator and 6 from denominator. Then the remaining term, that 5 into 4 20, 20 multiplied by 8 160, and here x cube is a totally cancel from numerator as well as denominator. The next term is plus, so again here we cancel 3 2 1 from denominator and we cancel 6 from numerator. At the same time we cancel 4 from numerator and 4 from denominator. So we left with 5 into 4 20, 20 multiplied by 3. So that gives us 60. And here we cancel x square from numerator and denominator. So we left with x square in the denominator. The next term is minus. Now here we cancel 5, 4, 3, 2 from numerator, at the same time 5, 4, 3, 2 from denominator. So we left with 6 into 2, so that is 12. At the same time we cancel x from numerator and denominator. So we left with x raised 4 in the denominator. So the new term get, that is minus 12 upon x raised 4, and finally plus 1 into 1 into 1 upon x raised 6, so that gives us 1 upon x raised 6. So in this way we get 64 x raised 6 minus 192 x raised 4 plus 240 x square minus 160 plus 60 upon x square minus 12 upon x raised 4 plus 1 upon x raised 6. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.